Morning traders, it's Paul from I want to be a forextrader.com. And I had a bit of a bad day yesterday. Nothing was really working. Market was all over the place, and so didn't get very far. Lost a few pips, in fact. But since the day before, I got 94 pips, and the day before that, I did pretty well. So I can't remember how much I got the day before that. That's okay. We all have bad days in trading. So today's little trade that I'm quite keen on is this. GBPCAD, you know, sterling's been rising up and rising up. The other currencies are fighting it, and there's this head and shoulders formation sitting on the 15-minute chart for GBPCAD. That's a little alert from Signal Trader. It's only a 15-minute chart, it's only a little one, but it's quite a good head and shoulders formation. You can see the way that it's dropped below the bottom. So here's the first shoulder, there's the second shoulder, that's the head up there. And you can see the way it's dropped below the bottom of that head and shoulders, which is a reversal. Now the thing is about this, and we're in a sell, and there's the sell diamond that I've taken already. It's come back up a little bit. That's alright. I'm not too bothered about that. You can see the way it behaves. It can come up and then it goes down. And Signal Trader will manage my stop. I don't look at it. There's no point. I don't need the stress. Thanks. There's not much volume in it. There's not a lot of traders actually working in it. And if there's not a lot of traders and it's moving, rather like this here, okay, down here, what's going to happen when we get a lot of traders in it? Okay, I can't see. They could change this and reverse it, but that's quite a lovely head and shoulders, and it's so beautiful. It's got to play out. Otherwise, I'll be really upset. In terms of strength, Canadian dollar, as you can see, is very strong, just below 60, which is what I'm looking for. Sterling is quite weak at 43.77, so Sterling's had a bit of a bad night, poor love. And Canadian dollar's done very well. So that was an Australian accent, sorry about that. My dollar Swissy from yesterday is still hanging around. Hopefully that'll do something useful. I was going to look at that. It was a bit of a bad day yesterday for trading. I think it was just too volatile. Yep, still hanging around. Everything's bearish. Maybe we'll see it actually do something rather than just range around. Signal Trader held me in the trade quite nicely, because Signal Trader won't stop me out unless it does see something. But as you can see, it's hardly moving. Very, very boring. Very, very slow. I'd rather have something like this. My target's here. It's the next white line down. The white dotted line down might change during the day depending on what happens, because it doesn't move very fast. As you can see, when it does move, there's a little, it tries very hard, but it doesn't move very fast, so don't expect anything huge out of that one. So news wise today, there's not really that much news, but there's some quite important news still to come. It's now about 6 o'clock in the morning. Still to come at 7. We've got some Euro stuff, quite important, Euro GDP and things like that, but I'm not trading Euros, and I'm not trading there's some sterling news at 9:30. It's not important news unless it comes out really bad. Euro news, Euro dollar news. So there's nothing there really that concerns me apart from dollar later on. Hopefully my dollar Swissy will be far enough into profit if it ever decides to go anywhere at all. Otherwise I'll just sit on it until whenever it either stops out or takes profit, which is great fun, isn't it? So that's this morning's trading video. I just really wanted to show you that head and shoulders. It's quite a strong one, quite a pretty one. I do like my chart formations. So that was on sterling CAD, GBP Canadian dollar. Just going to look at that again. Just, it is so pretty. What a lovely head and shoulders formation that is. Look, there's the shoulder, there's the head, there's the shoulder. Well worth. That's a reversal. So you can see it's come up. So where are we going? We're probably going to go back down here. Oh, look at that. Anyway, have a great trading day. That's what I think anyway. I might be wrong. I might not.